Yo, welcome back to 77 Motors. Alright, if you think you've seen everything in the hypercar world, this video is about to absolutely destroy that assumption. Today we're reviewing the absolutely insane Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo, and guys, this is pure Italian hypercar madness on wheels. This is not just a car, this is a rolling work of art that'll make your heart skip a beat. Let's dive in. The exterior is absolutely breathtaking and will stop traffic instantly. That stunning metallic orange paint is flawless and absolutely eye-shattering. The design is pure aggression and futurism combined with those dramatic gullwing doors that open upward dramatically. The front end is a masterpiece with those slashed LED headlights that look like laser beams cutting through the night. The bodywork is sculptured perfection with aggressive curves and muscular proportions that scream pure performance. You've got those massive air intakes feeding that legendary V12 engine, and sharp lines flow seamlessly down the sides. The massive rear wing with active elements dominates the back, and those quad exhaust outlets are pure theater. Every single detail is intentional and aggressive. Step inside, and you enter a pure racing cockpit. Those orange and black racing seats are incredibly supportive with aggressive bolstering for high-speed cornering. Carbon fiber is absolutely everywhere throughout the cabin. The steering wheel is thick and responsive with that iconic Lamborghini design. That modern digital display shows you everything you need, and the overall ambience is pure performance with no compromises for comfort. This is a driver's machine. Performance-wise, this is absolutely mental. That naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine produces a mind-blowing 830 horsepower and 690 Newton-meters of torque. We're talking 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7 seconds. Top speed reaches an absolutely insane 360 kilometers per hour. The handling is razor-sharp with an advanced suspension system tuned for track performance. The braking system is absolutely powerful, and this thing is genuinely track-focused. Pricing for this concept vehicle is estimated around $500,000 to $750,000 when it reaches limited production. Only the most dedicated hypercar collectors will own this. This represents Lamborghini's vision of pure driving emotion. The V12 Vision Gran Turismo is absolutely legendary. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more insane hypercar reviews. See you next time.